Got it.
Then have that, drag that over to the right of VA quarters and periods.
Yep.
And everything that you're doing here, underneath columns, the only view that you want is VA quarters and periods. You don't want any other view.
Got it.
Okay? So you have that right now. So right now what you should be looking at is 2016 actuals, 17 estimate, and 18 budget. Then you have your quarters and periods to the right of that.
Yep. And right now on the left for the columns, it's just VA and all the segments.
Yeah. So that's your first step. So your next step is go to the product drop-down thing underneath rows.
Yep.
Go to your subset unnamed. Hit that drop-down. Then go all the way to the bottom and go to VA SKUs only.
Yep.
You got that?
Yep.
And once it populates all your SKUs on the right, then hit OK.
Got it.
All right. So then the next step that you want to do is where it says 2017 estimate. You highlight all of those for every item.
For the year.
Yep, for the year for 2017 estimate. Then you right-click and hit copy.
Mm-hmm.
And then you highlight all of your 2018 budget all the way down. Then once that's highlighted, you right-click and hit paste.
Yep.
And those numbers should line up for the year.
Yeah, they do for the year, yeah.
Okay. So now what you want to do, where you have underneath columns versions and user view,
Mm-hmm.
hit that and drag it all the way to the right, to the right of volume.
Okay.
And you should have 2017 estimate there, right?
Yes.
All right. And make sure you can see everything in your screen. You know how to make your screen smaller or bigger so you can see everything?
Yep.
Okay. So the next thing you're going to do is underneath this 2017 estimate, you're just going to highlight everything. Start at the top left and drag it all the way down to the right. Highlight everything in blue.
Yep.
Right-click on that, hit copy.
Yep.
And then go to 2018 budget.
Okay.
And then highlight everything on there in blue. And then you're going to hit right-click and then paste.
Got it.
And there you have it. And then what I've been doing from there is that all you're looking at is your SKUs right now. So look at this thing to make sure it lines up. Take to where it says 2018 budget.
Mm-hmm.
Turn that into 2017 estimate.
Okay.
And then click and drag that and bring it back over to columns to the right of VA quarters and periods.
Mm-hmm.
And this is just how I double check it. Then underneath rows where you have VA SKUs only, hit that quick drop down.
Okay.
And then where it says subset VA SKUs only for the drop down, hit that drop down there.
Yep.
And then you're going to put VA products.
Okay.
And then everything on the right should be expanded. So where it says value added 20 with the drop down, just hit that drop down thing and value added 20, and it'll collapse everything.
Mm-hmm.
And then once it does that, hit the open sign, and then it opens it up to your segments. Got that?
Yep.
And then hit OK. And then you'll have a view of 2017, 2018, lined up next to each other by segment. And you can go and you kind of look by quarter, by period, and just kind of make sure those numbers look good.
Perfect.